how we make real coffee, better coffee. When we're in a rush, we do these instant from Starbucks, and they're kind of coffee, but that's not as good as brewed coffee. That's what we use when we're in a rush. But when we're here for a while, we go ahead and we can grind our own, but we were lazy and we bought some Folgers black. And what we do is our little press comes with filters. And here's the bottom piece. Put the filter in, then take it on this tube, which has got markings on it that I pay no attention to because I'm too quick to get my cup of coffee. So now we got the filter and that on the bottom. We put in an appropriate amount. They give you this little scooper with it, but I do a little extra. Into the unit. Then we're making Linda's coffee right now. And then that goes on the pot. We just got finished heating up some water, and we have to heat Linda's better because she puts cream in hers. And then you just take your hot water, pour it in.
We should probably mention that this is an AeroPress.
It's an AeroPress, yes. And they give us, once you put the water in, they give you a little super stirrer because some of the grounds naturally float. So we give it a little stir. And then the first part of this, it does drain on its own a little bit. Then I pour a little more in. And we let it sit for a little while. So we'll cut out this part. No, you can leave it. I'll cut it out.
Mm-hmm. And this is why we do this when we're parked for a while.
Yes.
It takes a bit. Oh my goodness. Can you cut that fly out of it too?
Yes, I can. Okay.
When did he get in here?
Then we put our low press in and hold it. You gotta be careful. Hold it good. And we press it. And then you gotta press pretty good. You can hear it all the way down. Tight. There we are. We leave a little room in there for Linda, for her cream.
It's done. Thank
and
you.
Fresh French press coffee is done other than her creamer. And then, just to show you what we have after we do that, you can take this bottom piece off, and right there's that filter and all your coffee.
And it's just a matter of putting that in the trash.
The trash. In fact, I'll just use our little piece here. We normally don't do this, we just do it in the trash, but to show you, that's what it looks like.
Pretty easy breezy.
Pretty easy breezy, French press coffee in the morning in a little van.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.